Hey, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to change the size of your printable in Canva, even if you're using the free version. Normally, Canva's Magic Resize is a pro feature, but don't worry, there's this simple workaround. First, you're going to open up your design in Canva, and then you're going to go up here to File, and in the top left-hand corner, you're going to click Create New Design, and choose the new design that you would like, or size that you would like. So I'm going to pick 4x6, and then you have both projects open. I'd go over to my old project and I would highlight, Control C, and then come back over to my new project and do Control V. And then you're going to have to take and readjust, take and move things around a little bit and fix it up so that it looks appropriate. And then as soon as you get everything that you'd like to appear in your new design, then just click share and download, and it will be resized to your new size.